I've spent plenty of years working on everything from nuclear reactor electrical systems to basic residential split systems. When you're looking at the entry level tier, the small details in the build quality are what keep me from having to visit your house on a Sunday afternoon. Today we're looking at a basic category matchup between two heavy hitters, the Heil Ion 16 H5H6S and the Maytag M120 PSH4BE. Both of these are single-stage ducted split heat pumps designed for homeowners who want reliability without the massive price tag of a variable speed system. Let's start with the cabinet build because that is your first line of defense. When I look at the Heil H5H6S, I see a wire guard design. Now, Heil builds a tough machine, but a wire guard leaves those sensitive aluminum fins exposed to hail, stray rocks, and the neighborhood kids' soccer balls. On the other side of the ring, the Maytag PSH4BE comes standard with a full louvered coil guard. As a guy who has seen thousands of units with mashed potato fins from environmental damage, that louvered steel wrap on the Maytag is a massive advantage for long-term durability. It keeps the airflow moving correctly even after a decade of exposure. Technically speaking, we're looking at two very straightforward machines. The Heil H5H6S has a slight edge in efficiency with a 7.8 HSPF2 rating, while the Maytag sits at 7.5 HSPF2. Since both of these are single-stage systems, they use standard scroll compressors and single-speed condenser fans. Every time these units kick on, they pull a heavy load of startup amps. Unlike high-end variable speed units that ramp up slowly, these are all or nothing machines. They are rugged and simple to fix, but they aren't the most whisper quiet or energy sipping options on the market. When it comes to the money, the Heil Ion 16 typically retails for about $2,800 to $3,500 for the equipment alone. The Maytag PSH4BE is a bit more aggressive on the pricing, with equipment costs ranging from $2,200 to $3,000. You're looking at a potential savings of $1,000 or more by going with the Maytag, which is a significant chunk of change in the basic category. Before we crown a winner, remember that the best heat pump in the world will fail if you don't treat it right. Keep your filters changed and keep the area around that outdoor unit clear of weeds and debris. A little bit of airflow goes a long way in preventing a compressor burnout. The warranty battle is where these two really diverge. Heil offers a solid 10-year parts and compressor warranty, but they include a 5-year no-hassle replacement limited warranty. If that compressor or coil fails in the first 5 years, they replace the whole unit. Maytag, however, plays the long game. They offer a 12-year parts and compressor warranty, which is the best in the business for this tier. While they only give you a 1-year unit replacement dependability promise, those extra 2 years of parts coverage can be a lifesaver when the machine hits its secondary life cycle. The verdict today goes to the Maytag M120 PSH4BE. In the basic category, the goal is maximum protection and the lowest total cost of ownership over time. The Maytag wins because it offers a superior louvered cabinet that protects the coil better than the Heil's wire guard. It carries a longer 12-year parts warranty, and it hits a lower installed price point. While the Heil has a slightly better efficiency rating and a better short-term replacement guarantee, the Maytag's combination of physical durability and long-term parts coverage makes it the better investment for a homeowner's bottom line. Shop like a pro by using the head-to-head tool on HVACforbeginners.com.